Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have requested, here is my eyebrow routine. So if you're a beginner, a good way to start is to first have a guide. Starting from the side of your nose and going straight up is where your brow should start. From the middle of your nostril to your pupil is where your arch should be. And then from the outer edge of your nose to the corner of your eye is where your eyebrows should end. So to start off, I brush my brow hairs up with a spoolie brush. And then I use Anastasia's brow definer in soft brown to outline my brows. I start outlining from my arch so I know where the highest points of my brows are, and then I connect my arch to the ends of my brows. And what I like to do is go back and forth with each step, so that way I know my eyebrows are as even as I can get them. After the arch and the ends of my eyebrows are outlined, I lightly outline the bottoms of the inner part of my brow. Then taking Anastasia's brow pomade in chocolate, I like to dip in the pomade and wipe off the excess on the lid. I start filling in from the ends to the inner area, this way it has a softer look, and then making sure to go back and forth so it doesn't look as harsh.
It's lonely, but we're not alone.
And then whatever is left on my brush, I then start to lightly blend the inner outlines using vertical strokes.
After a storm,
and after doing that, I take the spoolie end of my brush just to further blend out any harsh lines. And then to make sure your eyebrows stay put, I set it with brow powder or any eyeshadow that matches the color of your brows. Doing this step also helps if you have oily skin or if you feel like your eyebrows come off easily throughout the day. And if you want, you can stop here, but if you want a cleaner look, I like to take a small flat brush and use just a little bit of concealer to sharpen up any areas.
it's lonely.
And then after that, I apply Anastasia's clear brow gel and brush my brow hairs up. And that's it for my eyebrow routine, guys. I'll see y'all in my next video.
Pink and blue in the sky and I